This is a secretary bird. The secretary bird doesn't just hunt, it stomps its prey to death. Standing nearly 4 feet tall with long, stilt-like legs, this bird can kick with enough force to kill a snake in a single strike. Found only in the open grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, the secretary bird looks like a cross between an eagle and a crane. Elegant, but deadly. Its body is covered in sleek grey feathers, topped with a crest of black plumes that fan out like old-fashioned quill pens, giving it its name. Despite its graceful appearance, it's a fierce raptor that hunts entirely on foot, not from the sky. The bird patrols the savanna with powerful strides, using lightning-fast kicks to crush rodents, lizards, and even venomous snakes. Each strike lasts less than 1/10 of a second, fast, precise, and fatal. It thrives in open grasslands and savannas of Africa, where tall grass hides both predator and prey. Snakes, small mammals, insects, and birds, nothing escapes its stomping precision. Once common, the secretary bird is now listed as endangered, threatened by habitat loss and hunting. The secretary bird is nature's warrior, elegant in flight, ruthless on land, and proof that not all hunters need claws to be deadly.